With more than 30 years of experience in medicine, Dr. Douglas Huber celebrates a successful career as a pathologist, ending with his retirement from Wellstar Health Systems in 2006. Dr. Huber distinguished himself from the very start of his life, becoming an Eagle Scout, the highest rank bestowed by the Boy Scouts of America, on July 24, 1952. He also set himself apart as a strong student, studying at the prestigious Harvard University in 1958 and 1959 before earning his bachelor's degree in chemistry at Emory University in 1960 and his MD from Emory University School of Medicine in 1964. From there, he completed an internship at Grady Memorial Hospital and joined the United States Army, spending 2 years on active duty. Notably, one of his assignments took place in Vietnam during the Vietnam War, which left him exposed to the stigma that Vietnam veterans faced at the time. This was a significant challenge for Dr. Huber, but he managed to overcome it. Following his active duty in the Army, Dr. Huber began his pathology residency, which he completed in 1971. Dr. Huber felt drawn to pathology as a field of interest because he felt that it was the most scientific of all the specialties, and he was especially attracted to the absolute diagnoses that pathologists obtained, based upon numerical values and chemistry and other laboratory studies. At the conclusion of his residency, Dr. Huber began his work in the field, starting out as an associate pathologist at Baldwin County Hospital for a year in 1971 before transferring to Leary Laboratory in Boston for another year. With solid experience under his belt, he was ready to manage a laboratory of his own, and he became a laboratory director at Homer D. Cobb Memorial Hospital, located in Phoenix City, Alabama, from 1973 until 1979. Concurrently with this role, he served as a Deputy State Commissioner with the College of American Pathologists Laboratory Inspection Program, which he views as a career highlight. He was also the Vice President of the Alabama Association of Pathologists. Though his experience as a general practitioner was brief, Dr. Huber found it to be very fulfilling, and he enjoyed his contact with his patients. He finds that one of the most gratifying aspects of his career is doing something for someone that helps them. He is rewarded greatly by their gratitude, especially when the good deed was done as a surprise. Dr. Huber switched gears for a year, becoming a general practitioner at Leonard Morse Hospital in Natick, Massachusetts in 1979, before returning to his role as a laboratory director with Wellstar Douglas Hospital in 1980. He would remain within the Wellstar Health Systems for the rest of his career, working with Wellstar Paulding Hospital and Wellstar Cobb Hospital, in addition to his position at Wellstar Douglas Hospital. In 1996, he officially joined the Wellstar Northwest Physicians Group. He also served as medical director of both Roche Biomedical Laboratory in 1989 and Lost Mount Tissue Bank from 2003 until 2006. He would later earn a Doctor of Divinity honoris causa from Antioch Bible Seminary in 2012. When asked about what word he would choose to describe his life's work, Dr. Huber chose fulfilling, largely because he derived a great deal of satisfaction from his work. Though it was extremely difficult at times, Dr. Huber felt that he was able to successfully rise to each challenge and meet it head-on. He was also guided to success by his mentors, including his parents and Lou Glasser. Another of his mentors, Ernest Wendy, was the father of his best friend and a true inspiration. Dr. Huber feels that his mentors exuded confidence and always exhibited good judgment, providing a model that he could apply to his own life. Aside from his professional success, Dr. Huber feels that his proudest personal achievements have been raising his 2 children and seeing them lead happy and productive lives of their own. He is also proud to have enjoyed a strong and supportive marriage to his wife, Dina Ray, since 1969. He presently has 7 grandchildren with whom he greatly enjoys spending his spare time. Looking forward, Dr. Huber sees himself helping veterans and doing mission work. He presently goes on mission trips twice a year in such locations as Venezuela, Kenya, Nicaragua, Mexico, and Alabama. While there, he performs a variety of tasks, most notably providing health care as a medical doctor and cooking, which he learned to do as a Boy Scout. He hopes to be remembered as a man of integrity and strong character, and his sterling reputation as a devoted family man and caring medical professional will no doubt contribute to his legacy.